Yo guys, everything technology here, and this right here is a dash cam. I have friends who own one. I've seen actually YouTube videos of people who've captured some weird things on a dash cam, but I myself have never cared to take a look at a dash cam till recently. A company known as Cansonic reached out. They're like, yo Victor, do you want to check out our dash cam? I was like, sure, why not? I've never had one, but I've seen people with one. I think it's pretty cool. But anyway, after us going back to back, I eventually got the product. They sent it to me, so shout out to them. And by the way, anything I talk about in this video is actually my honest opinion because I have been using this for the past couple of weeks. And now I realize the importance of actually owning a dash cam. And I believe anybody who owns a vehicle or some form of car, some form of transportation, you need a dash cam for your car because it can save you a ton of money, especially if you're to get into a car wreck and maybe a street camera wasn't able to capture it, your dash cam caught it, and you were able to file through insurance, stuff like that. Now I really do understand the importance of a dash cam, and in this video we're going to be checking out this specific one from Cansonic. It only retails for 40 bucks, so it is on the affordable side. Let's check it out, and let me tell you guys why I think you all need a dash cam. Now, before we get right into this review, make sure having a car cam is legal in your state. Yes, that's an actual thing. Research if you're allowed to have a dash cam and make sure you can use it for whatever needs you may want to use a car cam for, whether it be commuting, road trips, or even racing. Alright, so design-wise, the Ultradash C1 has a nice metal and plastic finish. It's unique because it adds a smooth look, unlike most car cams. The design also uses a magnetic charging mount, which makes it easy for portability. The mini USB port used to power the car cam is long enough to be wired behind the pillars of your car and into the cigarette lighter, so you don't have to hassle with cords when attaching the car cam. Another feature of the design is the temperature resistance. The C1 can withstand extreme temperatures, so whether you live in Georgia where it gets really hot or Chicago where it gets really cold, you won't have any issues with this. The C1 is capable of recording at a resolution of 1920 at 1080 at 30 FPS and is capable of recording 720p at 60 FPS. That is pretty clear for a car cam, plus do we really need 4K cameras in a car? It's not like we're watching it for entertainment, like a movie or something like that. Anyway, this resolution is displayed on a 2-inch LCD screen, which is nothing special, but it gets a job done. And by the way, the C1 can support anywhere from an 8 to a 128GB micro SD card. What impresses me with this camera is how well it performs at night, so it actually is rocking a Sony XMR sensor. This type of sensor allows for vivid colors and usable footage at night. HDR functionality enhances suppression of overexposure under intense lighting, so it can reduce the blur and dull look or other lights in the camera view. If you purchase the hardwired kit Type B that they provide, the C1 can detect whether your vehicle is parked and can record footage if the car undergoes a rough acceleration that may be caused from an impact. The C1 will also power off if it detects that your car battery is low, which will prevent from further battery draining. The loop recording function allows the car cam to overwrite the previous footage with the new footage when the memory card is low on space. This feature is very clutch, but make sure you save your recordings before the loop feature is activated. The C1 also has this feature called automatic file protection. This allows it not to overwrite any footage taken by abnormal motion of the car. In case of an accident, the footage of the accident won't be written over the footage after the accident. And that's going to do for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're considering picking up a dash cam, definitely look at this one. I've been using mine for about a month now and I'm actually really liking it. It's been very useful. Again, if you don't own any form of dash cam or something that records in your car, I highly recommend that you pick one up and check this one out. It'll be linked down in the description. And that's going to do for this video. This has been Victor with another Everything Technology video. If you want to check me out and you want to see what I do outside of YouTube, you can follow me on my Instagram at VictorsFits or Twitter, same exact handle. Thanks for watching again. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.